yeah, hello everybody. You know my name is Moses Smartt Agama or Mr. Smartt. You see what I'm saying, man? Guys, today we are here once again, and you know this is time with Mr. Smartt. You see what I'm saying? Charlie, today it is my duty to give you good music, and I'm here with my producer Kiki. You can call me Mr. Smartt. You see what I'm saying, man?
Time with Mr. Smartt on Clean FM.
Guys, today I have a beautiful song from the man Camidoh. You see what I'm saying? And I wouldn't waste much time. If I talk about Camidoh, you know who I'm talking about. You know whom I'm talking about. So guys, recently we had a beautiful song from the man Camidoh. And this song was titled Sugarcane. You know, it's made wave in the whole world. You see what I'm saying? And he's brought a new one again. The Sugarcane I'm talking about. If I want to refresh your memory, then it goes like this. Oh girl, I wanna be with you, but you know they get enough time for me. I wanna live with you, yeah. I get the reason why I can't let go. Girl, you never know, say gongwa so. Man, them so far to find your love. Hey, Charlie, you see what I'm saying, man? Today he has a brand new one, which is titled Kaba. Kaba. Kaba literally means that fast. And it is an word. It is from the Everland. I mean the word Kaba. Kaba literally means that fast. Oh yeah, fast. Charlie, so we're gonna listen to this new one. It is titled Kaba. Camidoh is a great talent. You already know that. The whole world right now is screaming Camidoh's name, and we are so privileged to talk about his new song, which is titled Kaba. So guys, let's listen to the song Kaba from the man Camidoh.
Time with Mr. Smartt on Clean FM.
Hello, Manelo.
Middle, on the team, hey. I see your best Cali order, hey, my sweet bubble. I know fit to give you just love, yeah. I see your best Cali order, hey, my sweet bubble. Many plans I get for you, hey. And until I'm a mini but can you never mouth? And no much no down, super baby, I believe the thing I tell you no be liar. Missy and drop on me or the original Perkins, my whoa. March on now, everything you want, baby, march on now. She telling me Kaba. She said she wants a Kaba. See them and then what we whistle. Bubble shop for it so. I'll tell you all of my cars and everything I get you beat yo. See them and then what we whistle. Bubble shop for it so. I'll tell you all of my cars and everything I get you beat yo. See, I know the gas will be there for you.
Charlie. Charlie, this is a new one from the man Camidoh. Let's take the song again. You see what I'm saying, man?
Time with Mr. Smartt on Clean FM.
Hello, Manelo.
Middle, on the team, hey. I see your best Cali order, hey, my sweet bubble. I know fit to give you just love, yeah. I see your best Cali order, yeah, my sweet bubble. Many plans I get for you, yeah. And until I'm a mini but can you never mouth, yeah. And no much no down, super baby, I believe the thing I tell you no be liar.
Hey, guys, Charlie, did you hear what Camidoh is saying? You know, this song is like you meeting a girl. You meet a girl actually in maybe in the mall or in the club. You see what I'm saying? and then you want to talk to this girl. So it's like Camidoh is talking to this girl. He says, I can give you love, but love is not enough. You see what I'm saying? But I'm gonna add money to the love to you. Charlie, we all know that these days ladies are not interested in just love. So if you see somebody that clicks your heart, I think it's good that you have small money. You understand what I'm saying? Hey, but in this case, Camidoh is saying that he's gonna add his body, soul, and spirit to it. Then it means this girl is so special. You see what I'm saying? Macho now in ever literally means that I'll give everything to you. Macho now, it means I'll give it to you. So Camidoh is saying this girl should hurry up, Kaba, so that they go. He should hurry up and accept this proposal. You see what I'm saying? So Kaba. Abba, my sweet papa. So Camidoh says he has something special to give this girl. He's even bought a bag. And you guys, do you know bag? Those of you who don't know bag, my producer, do you have a bag in this house? Give me one bag. Let me show it to them.
Spending a little change on you. Order anything you want.
Kiki, please give me a bag. You understand what I'm saying?
Man, ready to die for you.
So Kaba, give me the bag. Camidoh is saying this girl should hurry up because he's got enough love. He's gonna do his heart desires for her. He's gonna live with you, girl. At times girls believe that boys we talk too much. Although we talk too much, Camidoh says that, Charlie, don't worry about the too much talking. Boys we lie so much. But in my case, guys, Charlie, lady, accept me and come, Kaba, and let's go home. Guys, this is a great song. You see what I'm saying? I know Ghana and the whole wide world is going to push this song to be one of the best again, as we did to the song Sugarcane. This one is called Kaba, and Kaba is from the man Camidoh. If you want a copy of the song, go to all streaming platforms and you're gonna get the song Kaba from the man Camidoh. Guys, my name still remains Mr. Smartt, and Mr. Smartt is my name, or you can call me Mr. Smartt Agama. I'm here with my producer Kiki. It is our duty to bring you the best in music, and that's exactly what we're doing right now.
I see your best.
My sweet papa.
I know fit to give you just love.
It's your best canny order. My sweet papa.
Many plans I get for you.
Guys, this is a beautiful song. Thank you so much for your attention, guys. Thank you. This show is brought to you by Phony Space. And it's supported by Wazi Aluminium Glass Works. Guys, if you want to contact Wazi Aluminium Glass Works, check the number on your screens right now. And don't hesitate to download the Phony Space app. Thank you very much for your time. You understand what I'm saying? It doesn't matter wherever you are watching or listening to us. Don't hesitate to share the video. Please share your comment with us. We'll be very, very grateful. You understand what we're saying? If I say see what I'm saying, you know already. Chaleta mi zon Kaba de. Let me download the ha. Me sagoma. Madro be fiable me download the ha ko. Gakaja be me stream her online all over to support our brother Camidoh. My sweet papa. Although you knew what's a beer and say, Charlie, you be boy in and you send ye Sugarcane, in your first one. You bet me a pushy way so sir. We title Kaba, if you in your Camidoh. In your mania, and you are pushing on your nulo. Ghana no one know you. Charlie, if you push this song, me say yanko panga sabaye wonso wakoma so ade ama what I say. Kaba. Kaba, oh, Kaba, Kaba, eh, Kaba.
She said she want a Kaba.
Guys, thank you once again. You can get a copy of the song at the first comment of this video on Facebook and YouTube. Please, thank you. A special thank you to my producer Kiki. Shout out to you, DJ Putman. Shout out to you, Koen Takra. Shout out to you, Storm City. Shout out to all of you who have your time and you listen and watch us. You understand what I'm saying? Thank you once again. We really appreciate all of you. Please don't hesitate to share this video. I will really appreciate it. We thank you all. Thank you so much. My name still remains Mr. Smartt, or you can call me Moses Smartt Agama. Thank you. Bye bye.